want to start trading as a new beginner and you don't know where to begin, in this video I'm going to show you the 5 simple ways you can start trading. Alright, but before we get started, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're new to this YouTube channel, and also turn on post notification. So the first thing is to open a demo account, right? You have to open a demo account. The first thing is to open a demo account. It lets you trade real market condition with visual money. You get hands-on experience without having to risk any of your money. So platforms like Bybit, TradingView and MetaTrader offers demo account for new beginners traders. So if you want to start trading, you don't just want to start trading risking your own money, so you have to open a demo account. It allows you participate in the real market condition without having to risk your own personal money. So the number 2 thing you need to understand if you want to start trading crypto or forex as a new beginner, you need to choose a trading style, right? You need to choose a trading style, because without choosing a trading style, you won't know how to trade or which particular trading strategy you are going to use. So the number 2 thing is pick a trading style you like, scalping or day trading. Scalping and day trading are the fast paced, right? So swing and position trading are slower and also better for busy people. So you have to choose between scalping and day trading and swing trading, position trading, which of the trading style you want to use, you want to embark on. Alright, don't just choose any strategy or any style because you think it's flashy. Choose what matches your lifestyle, not what looks flashy. So this is the number 2 thing you need to consider if you want to start trading crypto or forex market as a whole. So the number 3rd thing is focus on one market. Alright, you don't have to focus on all markets. So if you want to start trading, you want to focus on one particular market. Don't trade everything. Focus on one market like crypto, forex, stocks. Alright, you want to focus on one particular market. Master it before jumping around. Learning one market well is better than knowing a little bit about everything. So you need to learn one particular market and be a master of that particular market. So if be it forex you want to start with, master forex market then before diversifying, because once you don't master one, you're going to end up being stuck. So this is the 3rd thing you need to consider when you want to start crypto trading or forex trading as a whole. So the number 4 thing is you have to learn the basics. Alright, get familiar with chart analysis, with candlestick patterns, support and resistance, and trend line. These are the building blocks of every trader strategy. Alright, you have to understand the basics. You don't just start trading because yes, you feel trading will get you quick money and quick gains, but you also need to learn the basics. Understand that in every business you're going to, there are always basics. So learning chart analysis, candlesticks, support and resistance, and trend line, these are the building blocks of every trader's strategy. Alright, so you need to get used of the basics. And also there will also be a link in the description below to all of these videos, how to use technical analysis, candlesticks, or to support and resistance. Link will be in the description below. Alright, so the number 5th thing you want to do if you want to start crypto or forex trading or trading as a whole, you need to join a community. You can't do it alone. Yeah, you can do it alone, but it's going to take you a very long time. But with a community, a like-minded community just like you, it's going to improve you faster. You're going to learn faster, and also you're going to adapt faster. Learning alone is slow. Join a trading community or follow a mentor. You will stay accountable by joining a community or having a mentor. They say mentors are cheat code to success. So if you want to succeed in trading as a new beginner, you have to join a trading community that is like-minded just like you are, or you follow a mentor. This helps you keep you accountable and also learn faster and avoid common rookie mistakes. You have to avoid those mistakes that you need to do. Following a mentor will help you avoid those mistakes because the mentor has already made those mistakes, so he's only going to guide you on what to do and what not to do. So the last thing here, trading isn't a get rich quick scheme, but with the right steps you can build a real skill that will make you wealthy for life. So if you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also join the link in the description below to join our free Telegram channel where we share trade signals every single day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next